The check engine light illuminated, so we plugged in the code reader and received a message indicating the engine is running cool. Here are the tools and products we used to complete the repair. We reused the coolant, but before pouring it back into the engine, we filtered it through cloth. Remove the hose before removing the tube bolts.
What's so wonderful, this truck is not rusty at all.
Yeah.
This is weird.
The fact that it's dry?
No, he pulled the thermostat apart.
We used Permatex gasket maker instead of a gasket.
Okay.
I'm ready.
The code was cleared and the temperature went back to normal.